friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very simple one. You may call it a bachelors and beginners recipe. It's as simple as that. We are going to make mushroom jalfrezi. When the dish is ready, you will see how delicious it is in spite of such easy process of cooking. You mix everything and just slow cook the mushroom with onions and all the spices and it's done. You can enjoy it with rotis or even khichdi. So shall we proceed to make the curry? Here I have taken 250 grams of mushrooms. These are button mushrooms. You can take any variety available. A small bunch of coriander leaves. 5 onions, select small ones. And 1 tomato. 1 pod of garlic. Some small piece of ginger. 2 green chillies. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have washed the mushrooms very nicely and cut them into quarters. If they are small, cut them into halves. And the onion, peel and cut into big chunks, cubes like this. Chilies chopped finely, garlic crushed, ginger is grated, coriander leaves washed and chopped, tomato also cut into chunks. Now for the spices, we'll require salt to taste, turmeric ½ teaspoon, red chilli powder ¼ teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala ½ teaspoon and Kasoori methi 1 tablespoon. Let's begin. In a pan, heat the oil first. We've taken about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the ginger and garlic. Saute them a bit. Add the green chilies. You can add more if you like. Saute them together. Reduce the flame and add the salt and all the spices. Mix everything. They give out a nice aroma this way. Now dip in the onions. Give them a toss with a spatula so that the spices get coated on them nicely. Now add the tomatoes. Basically, we have to add all the ingredients one by one. Next, the mushrooms and some coriander leaves, saving some for the finishing touches. Mix them all together. And that's it. Cover the pan and cook on medium flame. Nothing else you have to do. After each minute, you just have to give it a stir so that everything gets cooked evenly. First, you cook it on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes, giving it a stir every minute. Here we go. One more stir. Now you can check the salt and check out the doneness of the mushrooms. After stirring, now I'm going to reduce the flame to low and then cook for 2 more minutes. Now it should be done. We have to keep them little bit crunchy, not overcook them. Garnish with some more coriander leaves and the mushroom jalfrezi is done, ready. So easy. Dish it out and enjoy it with your rotis fulkas. If you are a mushroom fan, you are going to love this. And there are some more recipes which I've already posted. You can check them out. Mushrooms in Chinese style with Bok Choy. That's also a quick recipe. Hardly it takes few minutes. And other one you should check out is Khumb Kabab. They really are very delicious. You will love them. Recipe links are given in the I button and description box. You can check them out. Here we have garnished it with coriander leaves, and the mushroom jalfrezi is ready to be served. Make and enjoy. Friends, if you like the recipe, do share the video with your friends. Quick and easy mushroom jalfrezi. When you make it, do share in the comment section how you liked it. Stay connected to see more interesting recipes on my channel. Happy cooking and have a nice day. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.